So I made Bella a little puzzle, 3D printed, where she has to interact to retrieve cat treats. And we'll see how well she does. Some of them are more challenging. Let's see, she was able to clear pretty much the maze. Now she's working on the key. Good job, Bella. Let's see if she can figure out the... Hey, these are catnip treats. Good girl. The things we do for entertainment. So far hasn't figured out the windmill one. Come on. Keep going. Hey, there we go. She's found the manhole cover. Will she be able to figure that one out? Oh, the things I do for entertainment, let me tell you. But I think I could design cat. They say they like to hunt for treats. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm kind of making her do some little entertaining stuff. And so far, she seems to be handling it okay. Look at that. It's clearing the deck. It's like kind of like me on a box of chocolates. Oh, now. Let's see if she pulls the pin. If she can pull the pin. Yeah. Let's see if I can hold it in place for her. There you go. Pull the pin. This is funny. Come on, Bella. Everybody's cheering for you. Let's see if she can figure out the manhole cover and pop that sucker up because there's treats under there. Oh, she's got the pin. Is she going to pull the pin? People are cheering. Yeah. Oh, she's got a way to figure out how to get in there. She got one of them. You can teach an old cat new tricks. Look at that. She's clearing the house. Come on. She knows there's more. Look at that. She's spinning the wheel even. It's the wheel of treats. Come on, Bella. This is for a world record. You're in competition with other cats. Come on, Bella, pull the pin. You can do it. You can do it. Well, this has held her interest more than pretty much everything. Well, is it too difficult? She's picked off the low-hanging fruit. This is good because it gets them thinking. Okay, let's see if I can bring it around. There's Bella. She's working on the manhole cover. Go, Bella. Not bad for a 20-year-old cat. Oh, come on. Now she's looking. She's searching her bowls. Searching the floor. Oh, she goes for the... Well, not bad, Bella. She's like, that's easy. Wait, there's nothing in here? I bet you she comes back. She missed the one that's just in plain view on the floor. Come on. It's already been 4 minutes. You still have treats to clear. Oh, there it goes. That was one. That was an easy one. What about back to your treat dish? Come on. That's not a very good effort. She knows she wants more. This is funny. Come on. Yeah, this is cats for you. Okay. Is that it? Are you done? That's a peanut. Come on, Bella, one more time? No? There's going to be a countdown. All right, 5 minutes is the max. 5 minutes. Well, okay. What about the treats? No? All right. Well, that's not bad. Keep a cat entertained for 4 minutes. Spectacular. Good job, Bella. Want to try one more time? Nope. All right. It's the little things, isn't it? She'll be back, I guarantee. Yep. Yep. Oh, she's still got it in her mind. Round 2. Huh? It's not that hard. You can figure it. You can figure it out. This is only your first attempt. I'm sure like in a couple days, she'll be pulling that pin, throwing it in the air, manhole gone. Then we'll move on to more advanced and complicated models, won't we? Yeah, this is just a starter. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, you did well. Alrighty. Yay.